Is your dog restless, barking excessively, or struggling with separation anxiety? The Dog Calming Pheromone Diffuser Kit offers a simple, effective way to bring peace back into your home. This 6-in-1 kit is designed to reduce stress-related behaviors and help your dog feel calm and secure every day. I've seen firsthand how this diffuser transforms anxious dogs. Whether it's thunderstorms, visitors, or even travel that triggers your pet's stress, this kit provides consistent calming support. Over time, many dogs show less whining, chewing, and indoor marking, making daily life easier for both pets and their owners. What makes this kit stand out is its advanced pheromone technology. Inspired by the natural comforting signals dogs recognize, it releases calming scents continuously, without any sedation or odor. Each diffuser covers up to 700 square feet and lasts up to 120 days, so you get long-lasting peace of mind across multiple rooms. Setting it up is hassle-free. Just plug the diffuser into an outlet where your dog spends the most time, and it quietly works in the background. The formula is safe for puppies and adult dogs of most breeds, making it a reliable addition to your pet care routine. This calming diffuser isn't just for one situation, it's designed for everyday stress triggers. From separation anxiety to loud noises and changes in routine, it helps create a soothing environment that encourages relaxed behavior day after day. That means less tension for your dog and a stronger bond between you two. If you're looking for a practical way to ease your dog's anxiety and destructive habits, this 6-in-1 diffuser kit is worth a look. It delivers continuous calming support that fits naturally into your home and lifestyle. Try the Dog Calming Pheromone Diffuser Kit when you're ready to bring calm back into your dog's life. With its proven technology and easy use, it offers a gentle, effective way to support your pet's well-being every day.